Hey there, future guitarists. Do you ever find yourself strumming air chords, dreaming of playing your favorite tunes, but those six strings always seem like a puzzle? I get it. The struggle is real. But fear not. I'm here to help guide you on a musical journey that's not just about playing guitar, but about enjoying every chord, every note, and making the process downright fun. Imagine the joy of picking up a guitar and playing your favorite songs effortlessly. That dream? It's within your reach. Hi, I'm Byron Marks, and I understand the frustrations that can come with wanting to learn to play the guitar. But guess what? I'm not here to turn you into the next guitar virtuoso. You just need that burning desire to learn. Let's make this journey together. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Whether you're 35, 54, 70, it's never too late to start. You don't need hours of practice, you just need the right guidance. That's where I come in. I've crafted a step-by-step approach to learning that takes you from air guitars to strumming your favorite tunes in no time. The best part? You can kick things off with a free introductory session. Yeah, that's right, no strings attached, just you, me, and a guitar. We'll chat about your goals, your frustrations, and set you on the path to enjoying the magic of making music. So if you've got that burning desire to learn, I've got the roadmap. Let's turn those frustrations into victories together. Don't just dream about playing, let's make it a reality. Click the link below to book your free session and let the musical journey begin. Here's the deal. It's not about being the greatest guitarist ever. It's about being the guitarist who enjoys every strum, every chord change, and every note. I'm here to help you find that joy. Let's get started.